This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the IDE version and backing up your settings. This prevents loss. Once done, open the Arduino IDE and go to File, right arrow Preferences immediately. Make sure you note the path to Preferences, TXD, so you can restore changes. If you're using IDE 2, X, you'll prepare to enable built-in theme options. If 1, 8, X, you'll place theme files in the correct folder. Now, download or prepare a dark theme style sheet so you're ready for the next steps. Now you apply the theme. The how differs by version. If you're on IDE 2, X, open Preferences and select Theme or import a JSON theme, then apply. If you're on 1, 8, X, close the IDE, replace Theme, TXD or edit Preferences. TXD entries for editor colors and fonts and restart. Once restarted, inspect the editor, serial monitor, and board manager to ensure contrast looks correct. You may need to tweak editor, font size, or specific color hex codes to improve readability and reduce Finish by checking every UI area. Serial monitor text must remain legible, menus should be readable, and code syntax highlighting should be distinct. If something looks off, revert quickly by restoring your backed up preferences. TXD and theme files, that's why you back them up. Make sure to clear any IDE cache and restart after changes. If problems persist, reinstall the IDE or reapply the official dark theme. These steps resolve most issues and get you back to comfortable, consistent dark mode usage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.